Hello everyone, contact me if you want to buy land or house in the Emirate city of Ilorin. And I'm going to give you reasons why you should contact me. This is my WhatsApp number 080 In case you want to buy land, maybe you have transacted with somebody online and you need somebody that will go and look at the house physically. You can contact me and I will do that for you. Now, this I'm showing you and everything I'm going to be showing you here are houses, buildings, lands that are available for sale. For example, this one I'm showing you is a complete house, but it's available for sale. Look at the kitchen, everything is intact. You can contact me and I'm going to tell you the price. This is number one on my list here for today. So contact me if you're interested and I will tell you the price. Now, this is another one which I'm showing you here. This is another one. Here you have land. Here you have buildings also that are available for sale in this particular area. So I'm showing you the environment so that you can see people are already residing in the location here in Ilorin, usually Okiodo and other areas in Ilorin. So if you're interested, let me know and I will tell you the exact area where this is. It's still developing. You know, we are in a developing country and development is catching up with everywhere on time. Get in touch when you want to buy land or you want to buy a house in Ilorin, whether for hostel where students will be paying, you can get in touch. And then if you have hostels you want somebody to manage for you, you can also contact and we shall manage it for you at an easy price. Now, here are some reasons why you should use me as a reliable real estate person in Ilorin, Nigeria. What I'm going to give you are clean land titles. I'm going to verify the land title and give you the accurate one anywhere that you want to buy. Then accurate Ilorin pricing. I'm not going to be giving you Lagos prices. I'm going to give you accurate Ilorin price that is good for you and good for everyone who want to invest or who want to buy to for investment or for personal use. Then I'll make sure that what I'm giving you has fraud protection. I will not give you what is fraudulent. I'll make sure there's fraud protection that is not something that is fraudulent. You can be sure anything I'm presenting to you, I've done due diligence before I present it. Then I'm going to use my negotiation power to help you get a good deal so I can secure 10 to 20% discount through relationship with major developers in the town to help you get a good deal. Then I have a network of local surveyors that can help you to look at the land. So I'll connect with registered surveyors for accurate Ilorin beacons, coordinate with Kwara State Geographic Information Survey and Service to make sure everything is fine. Then I'm going to give you a stress-free transaction. I will not give you problem in the transaction. The transaction is going to be stress-free. I'll be able to handle things very well for you. Then I can guarantee that the return on investment is going to be a fine one and it's going to be a very, very good one. So here are some of the things I'm going to do for you. Real estate is very, very powerful and you should look into it. And then if Ilorin is where you're looking at, you should contact me to help you to do that. Ilorin University and other universities around. We have KWASU, we have University of Ilorin. There are hostels spread around. People want to buy, people want to sell. There are lands available for using to build hostel. So you can contact me. You can see this land here around Lupcon is going for 2.5 million. So key benefits of real estate is that capital appreciation is there. So when you get real estate, you can get capital appreciation. Then you can also get rental income. If you do it right, you get rental income. Then inflation edge. When you go into real estate, 100,000 or 1 million or 100 million you put down today in the next 5 years can be going for 500 million and more than that. Then tax advantages. Do you have to deduct maintenance, depreciation, capital gains tax often deferred on primary residences? Then diversification. Real estate will allow you to diversify your income. Low correlation with stocks, crypto. It balances volatile portfolios. Then real estate is generational wealth. You are doing it for your children to also benefit from. Then assets transferable to heirs, building family legacy. So that is it. Then it's leverage. You can buy with mortgages and many other benefits of real estate. So if you want to go into real estate in Ilorin, you want to buy, you can contact me. There are lands, there are houses, as I'm showing you here. You can contact me and then I can help you. Those in diaspora, don't just spend your money all in diaspora. Invest in the country. Invest in Ilorin. Ilorin is a very fast growing and developing area. And contact me today and let's deal.